Tines.
It's him speaking.
Tines, I have a problem. Your daughter is Larissa. Is Larissa your daughter?
Yes, what problem you got?
She is busy drinking alcohol and speeding. Then I pull her over.
Why?
Because she's drinking and speeding. Say it's against the law, South African law. Do you know this?
Yeah, well, I bet so. So why? Speeding where? Are you fucking crazy?
Why are you fucking swearing me now?
Hey, fuck you, you stupid cunt.
My name is, I'm here from Kimberley. You know Kimberley, your daughter lives there? Yes, don't come swear me. Talk decent with me. I'm giving you respect. So also me, I want respect.
What you talking about respect then?
You busy swear, you just sweared me. Say you just swear me now. So that means you not respect me.
Ek gaan nie net fucking swear nie, ek gaan jou bliksem as ek jou kry.
You bliksem for me.
Ek gaan jou in jou kont intrap.
Say I will lock your daughter now. Don't come with stories now.
Ek kom skop jou binne in jou poes en waar is jy naier?
Sir, please don't fluke me like this. I'm giving you respect. Your daughter was speeding and drunk. All I need is 1,000 rand and KFC bucket. I will let her leave. I'll escort her. It's fine.
1,000 rand, 1,000 rand in KFC. Is jy 'n fucking hongerkont? Wat gaan nou met jou unite?
Yes, I'm hungry. Say it is working 4-hour shifts today. Yeah, I'm hungry. Just pay the bribe. Don't come with stories. I know your daughter tell me you have lot of money. Money is not the issue.
Hey, fuck off, push.
Yeah, don't fucking sue me. Don't fucking sue me, you fucking shit cunt.
Ek sal jou fucking klap.
I will blackmail you too. I will arrest you too, your bloody shit.
Luister jy jou fucking moegmuil.
Don't swear me, shit this. She was coming from the care place. You know that place. She was busy there drinking.
Drinking?
No.
And you sound like you already fucking drunk.
You call me my name is Constable Karabos. I'm a fucking offense of the fucking law, you bastard.
Ah, you a fucking constable.
Yes, I'm a fucking constable. Are you stupid?
As jy fucking wys jy stupid as ek jou in die hande kry.
You are threatening your officers. Are you sure?
As ek what? Am I the what?
Are you sure you want to threaten an officer? Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure.
How much do you weigh, sir?
I weigh 136 kilograms.
Yeah, I eat that for lunch or blacksem you.
Jy gaan hom op jou naai kry.
Jy gaan by jou naai kry. Waar jy by my?
O, jy's 'n belaglike poes.
I'm gonna beat your. You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna arrest you. I'm gonna blacksem you.
Gaan jy my bliksem?
Yes, I will beat you, stupid. You fucking bloody old man.
Ek gaan jou op jou kont gee, jou.
You give me my cunt. I will blacksem you, fucking shit cunt. Nice and no more, you fucking boerepoes.
Jy gaan op jou kont.
I will arrest your daughter now. You want your daughter arrested? I will do it.
You will do what?
I will arrest your fucking daughter. You're rubbish.
Jy gaan fucking rubbish sien as ek jou kop in jou kont indruk.
You might kop my contract.
Ek gaan hom diep in jou eie poes indruk.
And my puss and drag.
Ja, in jou fucking klein swart spilonk poesie in.
Why are you talking to me? They say I just want 1,000 rand and KFC bucket. Do you understand? This is a bribe. Are you stupid?
Is 'n fucking bribe. Hierdie hele land is 'n konse grap.
Like you probably drive a Toyota Hilux, you fucking rubbish.
Nee, jou klein dom poes. Ek naai nie jou sussie nie, so ek hoef nie Hilux te ry nie.
Why you fuck my sister now? You don't even know Taboseng.
Toe maar nie worry nie.
Okay, you want to come here and give me the money? Must I give you the address?
Gee my die fucking adres jou kont.
You gonna beat me?
Ek gaan jou in jou kont intrap.
Do you know me?
Ek voel 'n kont wie is jy? Ken jy vir my?
You will talk to me like this. I'll take your sister now. Your daughter, your sister, everybody in your... you are fucking shit, you. Fucking shit. Larissa, Karabo, please. Book this one. This Hamosh, Laris.
Jy gaan dit jou kont kry, Boesman.
I'm gonna fucking arrest this one. Laris, book Laris. Take their fingerprints. This one is fucked up. You not want to do anything.
Jy gaan sien hoe fucked up as ek daar kom.
You will not come here, you fucking puss.
Push.
You want the address? Okay, let me give you the address.
Ja, gee my sommer jou fucking naam, jou badge nommer, jou fucking ID nommer, jou bloedgroep, jou fucking klein pilletjie size. Gee my alles wat jy het, jou naai.
Okay, take this. My number is 078. You drive a Hilux, you cunt.
Ek ry nie kakkie jou poeskop.
Okay, but serious, take the number 082
082
519
519
3782.
3782.
Yes.
So what do you want in this fucking number?
I want you to e-wallet.
You want a fucking e-wallet?
Yes, 1,000 rand.
1,000 rand.
Yes, then I will let your daughter go.
Jy maak 'n fokke groot fout, jy weet nie met wie fok jy nie.
Okay, listen here, sir. We are standing here by the robot just across the street from the care plek, and this is a prank call.
'n Prank call.
Ja, sorry oom.
O, Jesus, jy het my nou van my fucking nice kop afgemaak.
Ek vra soveel om verskoning.
Dit was een van oom se werkers wat op die plaas werk.
Dis die klein fucking